It is holiday install day and things are already underway, and I thought, oh gosh, I should probably show you guys like what we're doing, how we're doing it this year, because I'm doing things a little bit different. So let's go check it out. I still have to put away all of Thanksgiving and like autumnal decor. The florals are gonna stay because I don't have the heart to take those apart, or maybe I will take them apart and repurpose them into like different kind of arrangements so that they're more suited for a festive season. But we are starting. I'm looking forward to this year. It's gonna be a little bit more, I think, whimsical than it has been in the past. So I will send you an update as we go. Hello everyone and welcome to Vlogmas 2025. This is the first year I'm doing Vlogmas, and I gotta say I'm equally excited as I am a little bit apprehensive. I'm concerned. I've never done something like this. This is quite a bit of dedication, and oh, I'm just super excited for this. So why am I doing Vlogmas? Well, the biggest reason is I need to learn consistency, and so this is the first year that I have made it a point to try and film and post every single day for 25 days. If you're unfamiliar with what Vlogmas is, that's what it is. Consistency is actually not my ultimate goal though. I really want to share with you what I do on a day-to-day basis in real time. I have so many of you reaching out to me in DMs as well as email and real life, asking me how I do things, all my DIY projects, how things taste, regarding my cooking skills, etc., etc. And I thought, you know what, why don't I just bring it all together and kind of do something like every day. And I thought, well, with the holidays coming up, why not try Vlogmas? Like, I love watching Vlogmas videos from all my favorite content creators during this time of year. It's a lot of fun. I love watching hauls. I love watching festive things. I love watching how people decorate and all of the holiday traditions that people have with all of their families. And I thought, you know what? We have some really cool stuff too. So why don't I share this with you? And so I am. This year, we have two main Christmas trees. You saw the main living room, and then we have the one behind me. This is in the dining room. And we also have a very simple basic one in our bedroom. Now, my husband Max is a absolute Christmas fiend. If you saw him, you would never imagine that he was just absolutely utterly obsessed with Christmas. And I love it. I'm here for it. And I decorate our home to the nines for him because it's so fun to see his reaction when everything's lit up and he's just enjoying all of the coziness. Since this is the darkest time of the year, which is something I really like, but we'll get into more of that later as Vlogmas goes on. As I mentioned before, this is the first time I've ever done something like this, so I am completely new, and I have some amazing things prepped for this Vlogmas season. I have festive reads. I've ordered several books that fit the more dark festive season to my liking, I should say. We have several cookies and festive desserts and dishes that we make as well, and it's more about how we enjoy the season as people who are not traditionally Christian forward holiday practitioners, if I guess it's the kindest way to say it. But yeah, there's so many amazing things to celebrate this time of year. It is the darkest time of the season, and we love bringing the outdoors inside. We love family gatherings. We love hanging out with mulled wine and hot cocoa. I actually set up a hot cocoa bar. Probably shouldn't have said that yet, but you're gonna get more of the details as we go along through Vlogmas. And we love Christmas markets, and you are definitely gonna see the best one, in my opinion, as we go forward and move through the festive season. Hey guys, so it has been several hours since I last caught up with you, and I am so pleased to say that all of our Christmas, we'll say foundation stuff, is done. It is up, it is well lit, the timers are set, so I don't have to deal with that anymore. But here we go. Our dining room. I have our tree. This is the second year in a row for our tree, but this is the first year for the tree collar. And I have to point these out. I thrifted these stunning Lily of the Valley ornaments. Like, I bought them in a bag full of all kinds of ornaments. I want to say for like $6 at the thrift a couple days ago. And they're so pretty. I love this. And of course, there are the garlands above the windows, which I have every year. We are going to be doing a little update for these. I really want to do a garland of orange slices, dehydrated orange slices with a little bit of cinnamon on top. And I did them last year. I love them. I love the scent that they emit when the sun comes into the windows. So that is definitely going to be something that we are going to make together. And as you can see right behind me on the window opposite of the main dining room picture window, I also have another garland. And now we are going to make our way to the main tree. Tree I surprised Max with last year. This is in our bedroom. It's just a basic little white tree, but it's so cozy. I really like it. I think I paid like $8 for it. 100% worth it. And so I invite you to subscribe and follow along as we enjoy the darkest days of the year in the most bright and spirited way.